What's good mga brodies? Today we are back with another video. Kasama natin ang One Pots crew. And we are heading out to Tapadera. Let's go! Time check, it's 7:18. We are here at Shell Julio V. Tingnan natin makumpleto tayo bago tayo pumunta ng Tapadera. Let's go! Naligo ni ano?
What's up, baby girl?
Yun. Alright mga brodies, we are now here at Tapadera, located in Makati. I'll post the address somewhere here. So we are joined by the One Pots crew. Kompleto ang barkada. Let's go. Boss, may bayad parking dito ha? Ay, may resibo sir.
Stop it. Get some help.
Ano meron sa Brazilian tapa?
Yung Brazilian tapa, ano yan, kalbo yan, walang buhok yan.
Aray ko.
Tapos tong Japanese tapa, blurred yan, blurred.
No! God, please, no!
Pixelated yan. Yan. Yung iba dyan, wala nang pakialam.
Pero kakainin mo.
Oo, basta mabango, kainin mo.
What's up, baby girl?
Today's lineup of helmets. Full attendance po tayo today with the One Pots crew. Let's go! Grabe mga brodies. Ito yata yung pinakabusog na dragster na nakita ako. Kompleto. Suspension though. Grabe. Ganda. Gresini pa. Ito yung controller niya, oh. Lalo kailangan magsipag. You can do it! Good morning. Soft na lang po, straight.
Okay lang po.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Okay mga brodies, tapos na tayo dito sa Tapadera. Ngayon naman, punta naman tayo ng Legazpi. Meet natin si Wifey. Ano, tarara!
For the video. 125 lang?
Okay, we are here ngayon sa Legazpi Sunday Market. Grabe the variety of food in here. So, kasama natin mga barkada natin. One Pots crew, let's go! Harap tayo ng mga kain.
I have to go to come here on Legazpi Market every Sunday. So that's from 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. And we're also in on Saturdays in Salcedo Market, same time, 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. And so we sell a French regional cuisine. And we've been doing that for 20 years. So everything is just nice. People are super friendly. It's a real community between the vendors and also so many sukis. Right. So it's just great. You have to come. It's fabulous.
Alright, gearing up na tayo. Pauwi na tayo. Tapos natin ang Legazpi Sunday Market. Let's go. Biyahe tayo pauwi.
One eternity later.
Alright mga brodies, pit stop muna tayo dito sa One Pot Shop. Kita tayo with the barkada.
Dito na sila. Mainit. Sobrang init.
Understatement yung mainit. Para siyang extension ng impyerno.
You heard it right here. So, paano mga brodies? I'm going to call it a day here. Tambay lang kami saglit dito ng mga friends. It's a Sunday. Sinama ko lang kayo for breakfast gala. So, we went to Tapadera tapos nag-Legazpi Sunday Market tayo. We had fun. Sobrang init. It's legitimately summertime na. So, kayo mga brodies, pag mga Sundays, what do you guys like to do? You go on a breakfast ride? Bumabakbak din ba kayo? Or tamang coffee breakfast lang? Comment down comment section. Tapos, give us recommendations kung saan kami pwede pumunta sa barkada. Kasi medyo saturated na kayo ng Makati. Dami ng tao eh. So, again, I'll end it here. Peace out.